Hello there. Video you're watching is a company listing we have for this upper frame, the front frame on a Caterpillar 120M motor grader, all-wheel drive. Comes with the frame and the covers. Everything attached there. Frame appears to be in really good shape. This particular unit suffered an engine fire which spread to the cab. However, from a structural standpoint, even though the paint is peeled off and looks pretty rough, the frame still looks very, very solid. This listing's for the frame and covers only there. However, if something on the front half of your grader suffered a bad accident, collision, been ripped off, we do have listings for the drawbar assembly, the circle assembly, and the 14-foot blade. You're needing the entire front half of a grader, we can probably work out a pretty good deal with you on all of that, even though we have them listed separately. If you'd like more information on that, check out our listings we have. Let us know if we can help you out. Appreciate y'all taking the time to watch this video.